Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fatima, and in today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get this cut crease glam look. It's perfect for fall, date night, or even brunch if you're feeling crazy. So, to get started, I prime my face using this setting spray by Milani, followed by moisturizing cream. This initial layer helps protect my skin and pores from any makeup products and also helps my makeup stay fresh throughout the day. I also use this lip conditioner to keep my lips moisturized. I like to use the e.l.f. HD powder to set my eyes after applying some concealer to my eyelid. This creates a seamless canvas which makes a huge difference in the blending of my eyeshadows. Now, to get into the eyeshadow, I start off with a blending brush or a fluffy brush, and I go in with the shade Ball of Fire from Morphe 3503 palette. What I like to do is to tap my shadow first into my eyes so I'm able to get the most color, and then I blend it in from my outer crease towards my brow bone. This gives me a warm transition color for my eyes. Then I go in with the color Stamina, and as usual tap it in first and then blend. With this color, it helps outline the outer crease from the inner crease as well as deepen the shade, so that the focus is concentrated in the inner lids. Now, to start actually building the cut crease, I use a pencil brush and a light concealer, and I dab it into the inner corner of my lids first, gradually moving towards the middle. In this process, you want to make sure that the concealer doesn't transfer into the outer lids, but if it does, you can always go back into a darker shade and fix it up. Then, with my HD powder and a pencil brush, I set the concealer just to avoid any concealer transitioning with the shadows. With this shader brush, I sprayed that same setting spray and then I dabbed it onto the shade Make Believe. I do this because it allows for the pigment to stay on my eyes better versus just using the brush, which would make the pigment smudge or just not last all day like I need it to. After that, I take the Define brush and I go in with the shade Smolder. I packed it into the outer corner of my lids, creating a wing-like effect, then blend the outer shade towards the middle to make a smooth transition so the shade isn't too harsh. Now, with my favorite eyeliner by Colourpop, I start to do my winged liner. I find this works best for my eye shape and really helps my lashes pop once I apply them. Now, to do my foundation, I start off with the Soft Matte Primer by Fenty, followed by the e.l.f. Poreless Primer to help my makeup blend in and give my face a smooth finish. As you can see, I put a little too much of the Poreless Primer, so don't do that. However, a great tip I learned is to slightly pat your face after rubbing in so that the warmth from your hands allows the primer to melt into your pores. I take the Fenty Foundation and a foundation brush and I start to apply it all over my face, including my neck. This foundation is my all-time favorite because it does exactly what it says. It is medium to full coverage, buildable and long-wearing foundation, and I honestly barely feel it on my skin throughout the day. After the foundation is on my skin, I take a damp beauty blender and I gently dab the product in to make my face appear smoother and really help the foundation settle in places the brushes can't. I then put just a little e.l.f. concealer onto my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, and chin area, and use my concealer brush to blend it in. I first spread the concealer out, then I use a circular motion to reduce the stroke effect, and then dab the concealer down with a beauty blender. After this, it's time to bake. So I use this baking powder by Black Opal, and I don't necessarily bake for too long, but I do let it sit for a few seconds to set the concealer in and avoid creasing. I go in with Black Radiance contour palette, and I use a contour brush to contour the cheekbones and forehead. Then with the same brush, I contour my nose by applying a thin line on the bridge and right above the tip, just to add some dimension to my face. With the blush powder by Silk, I smile and I apply it on the apples of my cheekbones. I set and I brighten my face up a little by using Badescu facial spray. This helps hydrate and really set my makeup in before I finally apply my lashes and lips. For my lashes, I like to use the Duo Lash Glue in black and the Dodo lashes. And with a basic dark brown lip pencil, I contour my bottom lips and color in my upper lips, following with a nude gloss in the inner lips to create an ombre effect. After this, I finalize the look with a little lip gloss to make the lips pop, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like me to do any other looks, please leave them in the comments and stay tuned for more. Thank you.